Morning, students. Let us begin our today's class on the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? I hope till now you have understood all the topics which we had already discussed. So in our today's class, we are going to discuss about solutions, types of solutions, examples of solutions, and some of its properties. Previously, we had already discussed about the types of mixtures and its examples. So let us begin. So students, you may have come across various types of solutions in our daily life like lemonade, soda water. These all are the examples of solutions. Usually we think of a solution as a liquid that contains either a solid, liquid or a gas dissolve in it. But we can also have solid solutions and gaseous solutions. In a solution, there is a homogeneity at the particle level. So we can say that a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. So these are the examples of solution: lemonade, soda water, different colorful solutions. For like lemonade tastes the same throughout. So that's why we means its composition is homogeneous throughout. So this shows that particles of sugar or salt are evenly distributed in the solution. So moving further towards the components of solution. Do you know a solution has a solvent and a solute as its components? So the component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it, usually the component present in larger amount, is called the solvent, and the component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent, usually present in lesser quantity, is called the solute. As you can see in the picture over here, it is copper sulfate solution where blue crystals of copper sulfate is solute and water in the beaker is the solvent. And after mixing solute in solvent, we have got a blue color homogeneous solution of copper sulfate. So now let us see some more examples of different types of solution. We are knowing that a solution can be solid solution, liquid solution and gaseous solution depending upon the state of solute and solvent. So for understanding, just see the various examples given in this table. First is the gaseous solution. That means the solvent should be in the gaseous phase, but the solute can be in any state, that is solid, liquid and gas. So if the solute is gas and the solvent is also gas, for example mixture of oxygen and nitrogen gases, or air, it is also a mixture of gases. Again, if the solute is in liquid state and the solvent is gas, then examples are chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Again, similarly, if the solute phase is solid and the solvent phase is gases, then examples is camphor and nitrogen gas. Similarly, we are having liquid solutions. For liquid solutions, the solvent phase must be in liquid state and the solute phase can be in either of the three states: solid, liquid and gases. So you can see over here the examples of liquid solutions: oxygen dissolved in water, ethanol dissolved in water, glucose dissolved in water. All these are the examples of liquid solutions. Now moving further towards the solid solutions. In solid solution, obviously the solvent must be in solid state, and the solute can be in either of the three states, either solid or liquid or gases. Examples you can see over here: solution of hydrogen in palladium, amalgam of mercury with sodium, copper dissolved in gold. So students, these are the three types of solution: solid solution, liquid solution, and gaseous solution. So after discussing all the various types of examples of solutions, we can draw some conclusion. So you can see over here some examples in picture form. First you can see solid in solid solution, that is alloy are the examples. Gas in liquid solution, that is aerated drinks, air, gas in gas solution. Then solid in liquid solution is tincture of iodine. Do you know what is tincture of iodine? A solution of iodine in alcohol known as tincture of iodine, where iodine is in solid form as the solute and alcohol in liquid form as the solvent. And solution of sugar in water is a liquid solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. And if again we are considering aerated drinks like soda water, so these are the gas and liquid solutions. So these contain carbon dioxide gas as solute and water as solvent. So I hope these few examples are also understood by all of you. So let us proceed further towards the next topic, that is properties of solution. So after discussing all the various types and examples of solution, we can draw out the following properties of solutions. So we are knowing that a solution is a homogeneous mixture. So this is the first property of solution. After that, the next one is the particles of a solution are smaller than 1 nanometer. That is, in terms of meter, it is 10 to the power minus 9 meter in diameter. So this means that the particles can't be seen through the naked eye. So this is the second property. Moving further towards the next property, that is the solution don't scatter a beam of light passing through it. So the path of light is not visible in a solution. Why this happens? This happens because of very small particle size of solution. Because just now we have discussed that the particle size of solution is smaller than 1 nanometer. So this is a very small size. So the particle size is very small. So because of that, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through them. So this is the third one. So moving further towards the next property is that the solute particles can't be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration, because those are mixed uniformly throughout. So we can't separate the constituents of the mixture using filtration process. So one more property we can discuss is that the solute particles in solution don't settle down when left undisturbed. So we can say that a solution is stable, or we can say that the composition of the solution is uniformly distributed throughout. So that's why the solute particles do not settle down when left undisturbed for some times. So these are the properties of a solution. So I hope you have understood. So today we have discussed about solution, the types of solution depending upon their state: solid solution, liquid solution, and gaseous solutions, their examples and properties of solution. Thank you, students.